Baking cookies. Today I decided to bake cookies with my mom. I was so excited. We gathered all the ingredients: flour, sugar, butter, eggs, and chocolate chips. We mixed everything in a big bowl. I loved stirring the dough and watching it change. Then we shaped the dough into little balls and placed them on a baking tray. While we waited for them to bake, the kitchen smelled amazing. Finally, the timer rang and the cookies were ready. They looked golden and delicious. I couldn't wait to taste one. We let them cool for a bit, then took a big bite. They were warm and gooey. Yum! I shared some with my family, and they loved them too. Baking cookies was so much fun, and I can't wait to do it again. Next time, I want to add sprinkles.